SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2. Speech writing. Speeches are talks delivered by the presenter during formal or social occasions. It is usually a speech on a topic to pass on information or advice to the audience. Speech writing. Speeches are talks delivered by the presenter during formal or social occasions. It is usually a speech on a topic to pass on information or advice to the audience. The computer club members have asked you to advise them on what to look for when buying a computer. As the chairman, you are asked to give a speech on buying a computer. Write out the speech. In your speech, include the following notes. Buying a computer, a major decision. Spend some time looking at various brands and models. Read computer magazines and catalogs. Shop and ask around, ask questions like prices, services, expected speed. Whether you want to use the computer for graphics or for producing text. Decide on the type of software you want to run. And which type of computer it runs on. Buy from a reputable electronics dealer. Decide what type you would like, laptop or desktop.
When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. Add 2 of your own points. End your speech by thanking the audience.
Model answer. Good morning, fellow students. I am Tony Yi, the chairman of the computer club. My speech should be of interest to those who are thinking of buying a computer. The topic is on buying a computer. Buying a home computer can be a bit like buying a car, for it is also a major decision. There are many brands and models to consider. So I have some advice for you to ponder over before making your purchase. Do your homework before heading out to the first computer shop. Spend some time looking at various brands and models before you decide on a good one to buy. Read computer magazines and catalogs, which can give you valuable information and ideas. Next, shop and ask around. It is always good to know what you want to buy. While visiting several shops, ask questions like prices, services, expected speed, and disk capacity. The computer you buy should have a big hard disk, because the more memory it has, the better it is. Determine whether you want to use the computer more for graphics or mainly for producing text. This will help you to decide on the type of software you want to run and which type of computer it runs best on. If you are a first-time buyer, it is advisable to buy your computer from a reputable electronics dealer. By doing so, you are more likely to get a better warranty and better service. The computers they carry have succeeded because of the high quality of their machines and their service. After doing all this, you can choose what type of model you would like, a laptop or a desktop. Laptop models are portable. If you travel a lot and need to bring your computer along, this is the obvious choice. Desktops have larger screens and are easily expandable. I hope my speech has helped enlighten those of you who are thinking of buying a computer. Thank you for listening.
Vocabulary Guide. Ponder, think about carefully. Capacity, storage. Reputable, well-known. Expandable, ability of being made bigger. Vocabulary Guide. Ponder, think about carefully. Capacity, storage. Reputable, well-known. Expandable, ability of being made bigger.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.